Just hooked up my little fire truck engine with the little lights. Yeah, added the wires on the bottom. So this fire truck going to the other ones over here, guys. We're going to the Baldwin local building on fire. Gotta hook up the street lights one day. So I'm surely trying to get everything together. Trying to make my layout a little more live. Fire truck with the little lights. Little crew over there. Fireman with the hoses. Made the hoses out of white. What's that? White hoses is made up. Man, what is that? White wires. Yeah, white wires. I'm tripping. I'm tired, guys. Just got home from work. Yeah. Little fire department. 2 people up on the top. Burning building. Yeah, so I hooked this up last night, guys. Got this off of eBay for like 25 bucks from a hobby shop called Ernie's Trains. They had it on eBay for like 25 bucks. Buy it now, so I went ahead and got it. It was in scale. Yeah. Got the front headlights and the back headlights. Show you guys. See the back headlights? Yeah. And once again, we got the ghetto bird flying around. Got that flying around. Yeah. Gotta get some more of those little fire trucks. Got the back lights working. Alright, YouTube. Got the little ghetto bird with the LED lights flashing. Well, you can't even see the red and blue light on the bottom flashing. But oh well. Guess it's the camera. Yeah, but the main thing I want to show you guys is my fire truck. Got that hooked up. Gotta get some more of those. They kind of blinking little blue lights, but these blinking over here pretty bright. Oh well, it is what it is. This is like the little project area, abandoned apartment buildings, little old movie abandoned buildings, movie theater. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm out. Yeah. Fire truck looks good with those black lights in the back. Okay, I'm out.